comments please please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. मेरे चैनल पर आने के लिए मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. गिबियावनो kjCreation फैनायनि थाखाय बयनिसिमबो आंनि गोसो गोरबोजों खुलुमनाय बावहरनाय थाबाय. अननानै like, share, comments and subscribe my channel. Please. Okay. साब्रै थांबाय दा आरो दंबावो. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. माबा दं नोंथांमोना अननानै कमेन्ट्स खालाम सेक्सनसआव कमेन्ट बक्सआव. हेलौ खालामदो नोंथांमोना बयनिख्रुइबो kjCreation बयनिख्रुइबो गोसो गोरबोजों प्लिज. अके माबा दं नोंथांमोना गुड मर्निं बयनिसिमबो थांलायबाय साब्रै. अननानै लाइक शेयार एन्ड साबस्क्राइब माय चेनेल. माबोरै दं कमेन्ट बक्सआव कमेन्ट सेक्सनसआव मेसेज खालाम अननानै. सानै थांबावबाय सानल'सै अननानै लाइक खालाम सानैया लाइक शेयार एन्ड साबस्क्राइब माय चेनेल प्लिज. गुड मर्निं बयनिसिमबो गोसो गोथारै जों आङो जाहैबाय बाक्सानि रुपहिनि अननानै सापर्ट खालाम. Assam Literatures and Assam Sahityasabha and Pages. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. अननानै बयखौबो आंनि चेनेलफोरनि थाखाय आंनि गोसो गोरबोजों खुलुमनाय बावहरनाय थाबाय. दा फुं सम बे जायगाया जाहैबाय मोनसे रुपहिनि सायाव थानाय बाक्सा ड्रिस्ट्रिक्टनि रुपहिनि सायाव थानाय हासुरा गामिनो बेयो. अननानै नोंथांमोना चेनेलखौ बयबो अनलायनायनि गेजेरजों बयबो हेल्प एन्ड सापर्ट खालामब्लासो साक्सेस जायो जिबनाव न'आवनो जाया. जों बयबो गरिब APC and the prelims 2000 mock test. गरम बहुत गरम. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment box of comments खालाम दाबाव नोंथांमोना अननानै प्लिज. लाइभआव फैनो थाखाय आंनि गोसो गोरबोजों नोंथांमोननो बयखौबो दसे सम नुजाथिफैदों आं लाइभआव. Critical reviews question. Who is then honored and who has been an honored present perfect answer with an highest civilian award? Please help me my channel. Good morning. Who has been an honored with highest civilian award of Assam for the year 2023 and Assam Bhaibau এখানে Dr. Tapon Saikia. Dr. Sapon Saikia. Answer is Sapon Saikia. Sponsory lowered in hydroelectric projects has been built in which of the following states? Sobansuri lower hydro electric projects na Sobansuri ni Arunachal Pradesh in Assam. Name the first supercomputer built by IIT Guwahati before Param Kamrupa. Param Kamrupa. Param Ishan daga Param Ishan. Param Guwahati. Param 5000. Param Ishan are none of this. Manchibu nunga. Computer built by IIT Guwahati before Param Kamrupa. Param Kamrupamba. Param Ishan. Who among the following was converted the Sangeet Natak Academy for fellowships for 2022? 2022 ana Jotin Goswami ne sara Jotin Goswami. Who is the following and convert the Sangeet Natak Academy fellowships in the Bantamana Sangeet Natak fellowship commander Nairiza Naijini Matia Jotin Goswami. Jotin Goswami fellowship Nairiza Sangeet Natak Academy fellowships 2022. Fellowships 4 unaga fellowship. Who among the following is the director of the Hati Bandhu, a demomentary for all the human elements conflicts Kripal Kulita. Who among the following is the director of the Hati Bandhu, a demomentary of the human element conflicts Kripal Kulita. Who is the first player from Assam to make it to the Indian women's cricketer teams? Assam Nina. Who is the first player? Hello, good morning. Please. I'm son of a boynish guru sugar person. Cool never. Right? Only like, share, and subscribe my channel. Please. Uma Shetri Assam na. The Assam near Mansia. First Assam Maba. Parody cricket teams and Hadamman. Uma Shetri first. Uma Shetri. So, Uma Shetri. Uma Shetri down the Uma Shetri. Who translated Madhav Divast Namgosa into English? Who is translated Madhav Vedas Namgosa into English? Translate Madhav in English. Translate Dr. Sanjay Kumar Borkakoti. Dr. Sanjay Kumar Borkakoti. Borkakoti. Good morning. Please help me my channel. Hello guys. Good morning. Which organization was awarded the best public sector CSR in notice for 2022 is by any CSR form? Good morning. Hello. आंनि चेनेलाव फैनो थाखाय गुरै खावलायनाय थाबाय अन्नानै लाइक शेयार एन्ड साबस्क्राइब माय चेनेल आंनि चेनेलाव फैनो थाखाय गोसो गोरबोजों बरायनाय जाबाय नोंथांमोनखौ अल इन्डिया लिमिटेड होनना सार which organized आफादा एवार्ड मोनदों आरो माने एवार्ड नङा आरो मोनसे माबा होदों बाय दा बेस्ट पाब्लिक सेक्टराव मोनसे बान्था होदों एवार्ड इन नर्थ इस्ट इन आसामाव नोङो 2020 मायथाइयाव बाय NECSR फर्माव होदों जाबाय बिथाङा अल इन्डिया लिमिटेड नामाव मोनसे होदों आरो आसामाव अल इन्डिया लिमिटेड नर्थ इस्ट फ्रन्टियार रेलवेनि थाखाय भारत पेट्रलियमनि थाखाय स्टार सिमेन्टनि थाखाय होयाखै बेफोरो जाखाया भारतनिखौना आसामाव जोंना भारतनि माबा दंखायो मोनखागोन Who has awarded the coveted na? Who was awarded the coveted? Dr. Bobin Hazarika International Solidarity Award na bitangna. Nireza Nijani institute by the Assam State Sobaya in association with the Namalighar Refinery Limited by Bitani Mazai Usha Mangisala, Paronta Usha Mangisala, Venetatum, Ravinder Tendon, it is a Lota Mangishkar, Lota Mangishkar, Spavigana, Usha Mangisar, Lota Mangisala, Usha Mantaka, Dr. Bobin Hazarika International Solidarity Award, Pubera Namok, Venetatum Bitanga. Assam institution Assam side to association within Namaligo Refinery Limited. Thank you. On Lota Mason Usha Mangisar Usha Mangarija, Nizini Meteo. Usha Mangiska Bitanga, I don't know. Acha. Who he acted is a still artist in the woman movie, artist movie. Purely Fukan directed by Natasurya Pani Sharma in 1995. Good morning, myself Nopin Takai, Boyniku, kjCreation Singing, Boyku Kunle, Onane, like, share, and support Kalamba, like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hello, good morning. Identified him who is later becomes a legendary Assamese actor. Who's a legendary actor? Assam 1955 सोर एक्ट खालामदोंमोन सोर एक्टिं खालामदोंमोन द्याट्स स्टिल उन्दै गथ'नि मुभि फिल्म पिवरलि फुकन डाइरेक्टेड बाय डक्टर पानि शर्मा इन 1980 बिथांनि मुङानो जाहैबाय निपन गस्वामी निपन गस्वामी दे who is a who when do we celebrate the Assam Divas माथाय मा आसाम दिवस खालामनाय जायो सेलिब्रेट खालामनाय जायो 2 डिसेम्बराव 2 डिसेम्बर नैथि डिसेम्बराव तारिखआव असम दिवसखौ सेलिब्रेट खालामनाय जायो आसाम दिवस असम दिवस होननानै 2 डिसेम्बर who India the first equal part will be established in which state? Equal part. Pardo, मोनसे first equal part मोनसे मा दं will be गायसननाय जादोंमोन माबायाव EAP आव अरुणाचल प्रदेश ग्रीन सिटि नाम ग्रीन अरुणाचल प्रदेश नाम who has become the first woman legislator elected by the Nagaland Legislative Assembly. First woman legislator elected by the Nagaland Legislative Assembly. Hekane Jakulu. जाबाय Hekane Jakalu. Jakalu. Asista से मनि नङा काहालित से मा नङा सानो वामोजो नङा এটা जाहैबाय हेकाली जाखालु Which city hostel in G20 Space Economy Leaders Meeting in India 2023 G20 Space Economy Leaders Meetings in India भारताव शिलंआव जादों शिलंआव Which city आव शिलं Which city of the most international bioresource conclaves the ITHO Parmology Congress na? Which city is the most of the international bioresource conclaves and ITHO Parmology Congress 2023 मायथाइयाव in Imphal. Which city of the most international bioresource conclaves ITHO Parmology Congress Imphal. The Gamasha was what in the number of the products from the Assam to receives to geographical indication. गुड मर्निं माय चेनेलाव फैनो थाखाय बयनिसिमबो गोसो गोरबोजों खुलुमनाय बावहरनाय थाबाय अननानै लाइक शेयार आरो साबस्क्राइब खालामनो दाबाव जाय आं चेनेलाव फैदों बयबो बरायना लाबानो जाबाय kjCreation चेनेलखौ बयखौबो बरायनाय जाबाय नोंथांमोन अननायावसो जों बयबो जौगानो हायो अननानै लाइक शेयार आरो साबस्क्राइब खालामनायखौ अरायबो बावगारना नोंथांमोननि अननाया आंनि थाखाय बेसेबांबा गोथार बे मुलुगाव टिक 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 Which city of the is the host an international bioresearch conclaves now the bioresearch conclaves number and Ethio Parliamentary Congress is a import. The Gamusha is what the number products from the Assam to receives to geographical indications as a 10 10 established the Gamsa number of the products product product बेसे आसामा रिसर्च खालामदोंमोन जिअग्राफिक इन्डिकेसननि सोमोन्दै एसे हुइच स्टेट बबे जिल्लाया बबे स्टेटआ इज एप्रुभ खालामदोंमोन हिज प्रप'जेल टु एंगेज होनना रिटायार्ड आर्मि भेटारान फर दा ट्रेनिं फर दा स्टेट पाब्लिक पार्सननि थाखाय आसामा मोनसे प्रप'जेल होदोंमोन एंगेज रिटायार्ड आर्मिफोरनि थाखाय एंगेज रिटायार्ड आर्मि भेटेनारि फर ट्रेनिं दा स्टेट पाब्लिक पार्सननि थाखाय होदोंमोन बिथाङा आसामाव होनाय जादों हुइच स्टेट बबे माबाया स्टेटआ ब्रान्च स्ट्रक्स इन हिज डेमोक्रेटरि अन द लाइफ नाम ब्रुस स्ट्रक्स इज ए डेमोक्रेटरि अन द लाइफ एंड वर्ड्स of which one of the following artists of Assam Nil Pawan Borua Bruce Strokes on the lives and words of the which of the following artists of the Assam Nil Pawan Borua Branch Strokes is the documentary of the lives and words which of the following artists of the Assam Nil Pawan Borua which city hosted the National Conference on Land Governance in Northeastern States? Guwahati. Which state the National Conference in the Land Governance in Northeastern States? Kahima New Delhi in the Puran New Delhi are Kahima Sangaman. What is National Conference the Land Governance of the Northeast is ba Guwahati Northeastern State ba Guwahati Kakai. So मानसिल' जानाय नङा जिएसपिसा सिङाव जाखायो जिएसपि खाथिनि मिटिं इन इन्डिया दिबां माल्टिपार्पस प्रजेक्ट दिबां माल्टिपार्पस India's largest ever hydropower project भारतनि बयनिख्रुइ largest hydropower project is being set up खालामदोंमोन in which state अबे set up खालामदोंमोन गोसो लाखिन AP अरुणाचल प्रदेशआव सागे Bagibil, acha, Bagibil Basam. What is the foundation stones now? Foundation for the Indian water waste transport terminal was the lanes is in which state? Obey which state? Bagibil will be foundation for the Indian inland waterways transport terminal was the lane is which state? Obey Assam. PM Modi and the plaques of PM Modi plaque of good morning आं चेनेलाव फैनो थाखाय नोंथांमोना लाइक शेयार एन्ड साबस्क्राइब खालामनो दाबाव गिबियावनो बयनिसिमबो अनानै कमेन्ट सेक्सनाव कमेन्ट खालाम्स मेसेज खालाम्स शेयार खालाम्स PM Modi plaques of world's longest river which Ganga village in which of the following greatest Dibrigor India, the first biovillage has been set up in which state? Tripura. India, the first biovillage has been set up in which state? Tripura set up खालामदोंमोन. Biovillage has been set up. Assam recently signed in the MOU within the which state the result difference in the State border Meghalaya Meghalaya. Who has been elected as the new chairman of the Central Electricity Regulatory Commission? Vishnu Burwana, who is elected the new chairman of Central Electricity Regulatory Commission. The CERC होनबा गोसोलाखि CERC नि full meaning होनबा सोंबा Central Electricity Regulatory तार थाय भाषा regulatory जाया Electricity बनवा CENTRAL Central Electricity Regulatory ना दे Commission आबो COMM ISSION Commission regulatory नङा ता नङा regulatory commission बेखौनो CERC नि new chairman जाहैबाय Vishnu Burwa जोब्बाय मोनसे only 40 questions 40 questions जाहैबाय मानिमोन physical review थायो नालाय बेफोरखौ मोनदोंमोन ओमफ्राय माथो खालामनो दा जुगावनो नायजोबनो हायासै उनाव नायसिगोन आं ओरैनो physical review नायदों बर्थमान बेखौनो फरायजोबगोन आङो बेखौ फरायजोबगोन थारमाने इयाव मोजां दं मानि सोमोन्दै एसे फोरमायनाय दं एसे गोबां जायोमोन दा हायासै आसाम डिभिजन 2022 दिबस खालामनाय जायो बिथांखौ 2 डिसेम्बर 2022 सिकापौहा हेल्थ इन हिस्टरि बहुत दं नै फार्स्ट बेयो फिजिकल रिभिउस स्टेट कारेन्ट एफेयार्सनि सोमोन्दै सेप्टेम्बर 22 फैबाय जोंहा 21 27 which city was the first LMS on Northeastern Indian inaugurated खालामदोंमोन first AIMS AIMS of the Northeast India inaugurated अनानै लाइक शेयार एन्ड साबस्क्राइब माय चेनेलफोरनि थाखाय बयनिसिमबो गोसो गोरबोजों खुलुमनाय बावहरनाय थाबाय लाइक एन्ड शेयार्स गुवाहाटि बेनो एन्सार गुवाहाटि हुइच सिटि नामदों बबे सिटिया वाज द फार्स्ट एम्स अफ द नर्थ इस्ट इन्डिया इनअगरेटेड खालामदोंमोन माने इनअगरेसन खालामदोंमोन दा बिसोर गुवाहाटि नर्थ इस्ट बा गुवाहाटि जाखायो Who is the first woman cricketer from Assam? Assam, first cricketer Assam to make a debut in the IPL. Debut in the IPL. Jetumuni Kolita. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. अनानै नोंथांमोननि ना आंनि चेनेलाव फैनो थाखाय गोसो गोरबोजों खुलुमनाय बावहरनाय थाबाय अनानै सापर्ट खालामनांगोन Jetumuni Kolita, first woman cricketer from Assam and IPL गेलेनो मोनदों आरो नै Jetumuni Kolitaयानोथ' र' नै दाना दाना मैया दाखालि Jetumuni बर'जों Who among the following has been chosen for the Sahitya Academy Award for 2022 from in Assam माने क्लोजेन्स आरो बिथाङा for the Sahitya Academy बान्था मोनदों बिथांमोना जाबाय all this रावबो मोनाखै 2022 मायथाइयाव रावबो गैया मनोज कुमार गस्वामी रश्मि चौधुरी जरि दत्त रावबो मोनाखै Who stayed and hosted the joint flood relief exercise for Jal Rahat Who stayed and hosted the joint flood relief exercise Jal Rahat बाथ' बुजिनांगोन Jal Rahat होनबा फैयो सारा Who stayed and hosted the joint flood relief exercise Jal Rahat होनबा Assam Jal Rahat होनबा Assam The first Assamese language dictionary Hemokos was the compiled by Hemchandra Borua only city what they say who has been selected the cover of the coveted Protima Borua Pande Award for the year Protima. Hello, good morning. Oh, sonopen daga boybo support kalam. Please like, share and subscribe na channel onane. Comments box of comments kalam. How are you? Nongtangna boy si moto onane. District ko khanta. Bobe country ni bawte. Hemchandra Borua. Protima Borua Pande Award mondangma. And it is a 22 material. Ikalopia Gam. Jobin Gurt. Kogen Gugoi. None of this. Echalopia gums. Which of the following place monuments has been nominated for UNESCO World Heritage Sites for 2023? Sorry, my dams. One morning, only channel support kalam, like kalam, like please live. Sorry, many people. Sorry, which of the following place monuments has been nominated UNESCO World Heritage Sites by fwidwng for the UNESCO World Heritage Site 2023? Sorry, by student World Heritage Site ni. Ni fwidwng utilises. History Baksa neba history Baksa. फैलालै माथो गैया दिनै pas mikir lu